Tacos Al Pastor is a Mexican street food with Lebanese roots. These beloved tacos most likely evolved from shawarma spit-grilled meat brought by the Lebanese immigrants to Mexico. Tacos Al Pastor in Mexico are made using pork roasted on a spit, but in this version we're going to make a plant-forward version, Portobello Tacos Al Pastor. Let's start with the Al Pastor marinade. We have 3 types of dried chilies: guajillo, ancho, and chipotle. I have rehydrated these in boiling water until soft. Place the soft chilies in a blender. Then add white onion, garlic, achiote paste, orange juice, chopped pineapple, white vinegar, cumin, Mexican oregano, smoked paprika, and some salt. Blend until the Al Pastor marinade is smooth and then set this aside. We're working with nice, meaty portobello mushrooms today. I've removed the stems from the portobellos and cut the caps into half-inch chunks. Toss the mushrooms in the Al Pastor marinade and set aside while you prepare the rest of the recipe. The mushrooms can be marinated up to a day in advance, covered and refrigerated. Heat a large non-stick pan with olive oil. When it's smoking, stir-fry the mushrooms until they're caramelized and tender. To assemble the tacos, fill the warm tortillas with the mushrooms al pastor, slices of charred pineapple, tomatillo salsa, onions that have been soaked in lime juice, served with crema, which is of course optional if you want a vegan taco, along with sliced avocado, cilantro, and lime wedges. Sweet, savory, smoky, and tangy, these mushroom tacos al pastor are a delicious plant-forward twist to the classic Mexican street food.